As a server or hosting customer at Keyweb, you always receive reliable support 24/7. This includes precise answers to your questions, competent advice, as well as fault and error handling. A larger scope of services is also available with our managed hosting services. With Keyweb's managed service, you receive the technical support you need for the expert care and maintenance of your servers. After a clear agreement, our qualified system administrators will take care of all your needs in terms of software installations, configurations, and monitoring requirements. Our Managed Pro service is ideally suited for particularly support-intensive projects. Here we offer you proactive technical support. Our professional Keyweb support team will take over the task you require according to a previously defined and individual contractual agreement. The Managed Pro service already includes 2 hours of remote hands at a special rate. In addition, our support team will also proactively take care of your systems outside business hours. This means that you do not have to maintain expensive internal resources 24/7 and therefore save valuable resources, both monetary and human. Of course, you have unrestricted root access at all times and retain full control over your system. If you have any questions about our managed services, please do not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to answering your questions.